Hi, I'm Larry Richardson, your step-by-step chef. And in this episode of Cooking with Plant-Based Meats, we are going to do what I consider the impossible. Actually make a fillet of fish using plant-based fish. I don't know how they did it, but they came up with a plant-based protein, a plant-based fish that actually tastes delicious in a fillet of fish style sandwich. It's just really that good. Now, why are we doing this? We're doing this, one, because the food has become delicious. These plant-based meats, they're fantastic. Two, because it makes us feel better. And three, because it takes a lot less fossil fuels and a lot less greenhouse gases to create these plant-based meats than it does to create animal-based meats. That means less global warming, less climate change. So we're all winners. Now, I've told you over and over in this series that I have not substituted out all of the animal-based meats from my diet. I still have many recipes on stepbystepchef.com with animal-based meats. So they are available, and heck, I do still eat some of them. But I'm trying to substitute out as much of the animal-based meat out of my diet and substitute in plant-based meat wherever possible. So come on, give it a shot with me, and then let's cook. So here are the ingredients for our plant-based fillet of fish. First of all, I have these plant-based fish fillets, and I'll use 2 of those. That's all I need. And there are a number of different kinds, so shop around and see which one you like. I'm also going to use about 1/4 cup of that Fiesta blend shredded cheese. You can also use a cheese patty if you want. It's all the same. We're a pat of cheese. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of mayo to each tablespoon of sweet relish, and that will make our tartar sauce. You can make as much of that as you want. And I also have a toasted bun. And that's already toasted, and I don't think I'm going to show you how to do that. That's going to be your homework from the Step-by-Step Chef. So let me show you how to put all this together. This is usually what I consider a Step-by-Step Chef quick hit. This is a quick recipe, and it's actually delicious. I consider this fillet of fish it's kind of on the fast food end of my diet, but it does take the place of fast food, and I do feel better than when I eat fast food. So I do recommend this dish, mainly when you kind of want to treat yourself. I'll have these on a Friday after a hard week's work. So here is our relish. All we're really doing is making some tartar sauce. So the prep work for this is practically non-existent. You can also add shredded lettuce to it. You could add a slice of tomato or 2. You could even add pickles. I mean, it's really up to you the way that you like your normal fish sandwich. And I think I'll add a little bit more relish to this. That looks like a good consistency. Okay, perfect. And my oven is preheating at 450. So do whatever it says on the package of fish fillets, plant-based fish fillets that you buy. Follow those instructions. Now, the package of fish fillets, plant-based fish fillets that I purchased, says 450 degree oven on bake, and bake them for 16 minutes, and flip them halfway through. So what I'm going to do is preheat my oven at 450 and bake these for 16 minutes, flipping halfway through. So it's not complicated. And to fill that bun that I already toasted will require 2 of these, 2 pieces. So that's what I'm going to use. So these are going to go in the oven, and we're going to have a fillet of fish, the plant-based version, shortly. Okay, the fish fillets are all done, so let's make our sandwich. And let's put some cheese on the bottom. That's good. And this will melt. The heat from the fillets will melt that up. So we'll put that there. And here's our yummy fillets. There we go, make that nice and neat. And then we just put our tartar sauce on the top. And again, this is a step-by-step chef quick hit. Not all of the recipes are this simple, but usually when I'm eating something kind of on the junk food scale, yes, it would be like this. Well, I guess maybe not junk food, but fast food scale. And we have ourselves a fillet of fish. Who knew plant-based eating could be so much fun? I mean, look what you just made. You just made this plant-based fillet of fish sandwich. It's a great treat to have every now and then. And like I told you, look around, and if there are other plant-based fishes out there, just like I tell you with the plant-based meats and chickens, look around, find the ones that appeal to you, and use those. Now, if you like this recipe, please go to my website, stepbystepchef.com. There you will find over 225 recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner that are plant-based, animal-based meats, and no meats at all. You're going to find a great variety of meals there. The other thing you will find is links to free videos where I show you how to make each and every one of them. You and I sitting around eating filet of fishes. Life doesn't get any better than that. I don't think so. So I hope you will check out the site. So again, my name's Larry Richardson. I am your step-by-step chef, and I'll see you in the next episode. I've been dying to do this.